Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Safari autofill credit cards on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and in here, tap on Safari. Next, scroll down and then tap on autofill. Then tap on credit cards. Tap on the toggle button to enable or disable the use of credit cards detail for Safari autofill form. If you switch this on, you can also tap on save credit cards, and in here you can add in any credit card details that you want to use for the autofill form. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.